Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to boost your Instagram engagement, polls are one of the most powerful tools you can use. But what if I told you that in 2025, Instagram now allows you to add interactive polls directly into your post captions? That's right, not just in stories, not just in reels or lives, but right in the feed, under your photo or video. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to add a poll to your Instagram caption, step by step. Whether you're using an iPhone or Android, a personal profile or business account, I've got you covered. So grab your phone, follow along, and let's dive right in. Section 1. Why use polls in captions? First things first, why should you care about adding polls to your caption? Well, here's the deal. Instagram's algorithm loves engagement. The more people interact with your post, the more reach Instagram gives you. Polls are an easy, frictionless way to get your followers to take action. Just think about it. Instead of having to comment or DM you, your audience can now vote on your caption with a single tap. This leads to higher engagement rates, longer time spent on your post, and valuable feedback you can use to improve your content or offers. Influencers are using it to ask questions like, "What outfit do you prefer? Should I post this tutorial next? Do you want a discount code?" Brands are using polls to test product ideas, run giveaways, and even conduct informal market research. And creators? They're using polls for memes, mini-games, and fun hot takes that spark conversations. So if you're serious about growth, this new feature is something you absolutely want to master. Section 2. How Instagram polls in captions work. Now let's talk about how these caption polls actually work. In 2025, Instagram quietly rolled out an update called Interactive Captions. It allows creators to embed tappable polls directly into the caption field of their feed post. Here's what that looks like. When you scroll through your feed and see a post with a caption, you'll now sometimes see a poll box inside the caption, like, "What should I film next?" A. Morning routine, or B. Day in the life. Underneath each option is a tappable button. When a user taps it, their vote is instantly recorded, just like in Instagram stories. Here's the cool part. The poll doesn't disappear in 24 hours. The votes are saved to your insights, and you can even view results in real time. This feature is slowly rolling out globally, so if you don't see it yet, make sure your app is fully updated. Section 3. Step-by-step guide, how to add a poll to caption. Alright, now let's get into the step-by-step tutorial on how to actually add a poll to your caption. I'm going to walk you through this using both an iPhone and an Android device, so no matter what you're using, you can follow along. Step 1. Update Instagram app. Go to the App Store or Google Play, search Instagram, and make sure you have the latest version. As of July 2025, you'll need version 3.25.1 or higher to access this feature. Step 2. Create a new post. Open the Instagram app and tap the plus sign at the bottom center of the screen. Select your photo or video like you normally would. You can upload anything from your camera roll or record something new. Hit Next, then Next again to move past filters. Step 3. Write your caption. Here's where the magic happens. In the caption field, write out your text as usual, and then tap the poll icon right above the keyboard. It looks like a small chart bar with a plus sign. This will open a poll creation tool directly inside the caption editor. Step 4. Add your poll question and options. Type in your question, for example, which cover photo should I use? Then type in your 2 answer options. Instagram allows only 2 options for now. Option A, bold colors, or Option B, minimal aesthetic. You can also rearrange them or edit them later. Once you're done, hit Insert Poll, and it will embed a tappable poll block right inside your caption. It will look like a simple text box with clickable buttons for A and B. Step 5. Post like normal. Finish writing the rest of your caption if needed. Then add your location, tags, and post to your feed like you normally would. And that's it. Your post now includes an interactive poll. Step 6. Track your results. After your post is live, go back to it and tap View Insights. Under the Engagement section, you'll now see a Poll tab, which shows number of total votes, percentage breakdown for each answer, and even usernames of voters, if your account is business or creator. You can use this to see what your audience is most interested in and adjust future content accordingly. Section 4. Tips to maximize engagement with caption polls. Now that you know how to use the feature, let's go over some pro tips to get the most out of your polls. Tip number 1. Keep it short and sweet. Polls work best when the question is simple, clear, and easy to answer in a second. Avoid long-winded or complicated wording. Instead of, "What type of content do you think I should create based on what you've seen so far?" Say, "What should I post next? A or B?" Tip number 2. Use a visual cue in your post. If your poll is about a visual choice, make sure the content in the image or video matches the options. For example, post 2 photos side by side and ask, "Which look do you like more, left or right?" This makes the voting feel more intuitive. Tip number 3. Ask fun, low-stakes questions. Don't overthink it. People love voting on things that are light-hearted or playful, like pineapple on pizza, yes or no? Would you survive a zombie apocalypse? Or team cats or team dogs? These types of polls create micro-interactions that boost reach. Tip number 4. Follow up in stories or DMs. After you've run a successful poll, follow up in your story with the results. This gives closure to the interaction and encourages even more engagement. If you're running a business, you can even DM voters based on how they voted. For example, "Hey, since you voted for option A, here's a sneak peek just for you." Tip number 5. Use polls to warm up leads. If you're promoting a product or service, use a poll as a warm-up. For instance, would you use an app that makes content creation 10 times easier? A. Absolutely. Or B. Maybe, tell me more. Everyone who votes absolutely is now a warm lead, and you can target your next CTA toward them. Section 5. What to do if you don't have the feature yet. Now, if you've followed all the steps and still don't see the poll icon in your caption editor, here's what to do. Option 1. Switch to a creator or business account. Some users only get access to beta features if they're using a creator or business profile. Go to Settings, Account, switch account type, choose Creator or Business, and restart the app. Option 2. Use the desktop version. In some cases, the feature is visible when posting from Instagram's web version at instagram.com. Try uploading from your computer and see if the poll icon shows up in the caption editor. Option 3. Wait for the rollout. Unfortunately, new features can take time to roll out globally. Make sure your app is updated and be patient. You'll likely have access within the next few weeks. Section 6. What's next? Future of interactive captions. Instagram has made it clear, interactive content is the future. In addition to polls, we're expecting to see emoji sliders in captions, mini quizzes under posts, tappable Q and A prompts, and possibly even voting-style carousels. This means your feed posts are becoming more like mini landing pages, with engagement baked in. So the earlier you learn how to use these tools, the more you'll stand out. So there you have it. That's your complete guide on how to add a poll to your caption on Instagram in 2025. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Instagram tips, and drop a comment letting me know what feature you want me to cover next. And don't forget, the best time to start boosting your engagement was yesterday. The next best time is now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.